Yeah, you know this sound. Kurt Angle staring.
When I'm with you, I don't.
Now, I know the whole song. You go onto Spotify. Now, once you're on Spotify. Okay, screw that song. Now, we're gonna go to my library. Right? Now, this song is called When I'm With You. Now, it should sound good. I don't know if I can hear anything yet. But yeah, I found the original song. But I had to like change the sound. So if you want the real sound, you're gonna keep your control on 1 speed, 0.74 pitch, no distortion and no reverb.
When I'm with you.
But yeah, that's it. Thank you everybody, and peace out.